Welcome to English Chill Channel.
We're so glad you're here. Hi, everyone. Emma, are you sure this is a good idea?
Of course, Liam. It's just breakfast.
But I don't cook. I really don't cook.
Don't worry. Today, I am going to show you how to make perfect pancakes.
Perfect? I am not so sure about that.
Okay, first, we need the ingredients.
Ingredients? What does ingredients mean?
It's the food you need to make the recipe, like flour, eggs, and milk.
Ah, okay. The food. I see.
Exactly. Can you please get the flour from the pantry?
The pantry?
The tall cupboard where we keep dry food.
Oh, right. The cupboard. Okay, I have the flour. What's next?
We need 2 large eggs and some milk from the fridge.
Fridge? You mean the refrigerator?
Yes, fridge is just the short common word for it.
Okay. Milk and eggs. Got them.
Great. Now we need sugar, salt, and baking powder.
Baking powder? I only see baking soda. Are they the same?
No, they are very different. That's a common mistake. Look on the shelf above, the small blue container.
Ah, here it is. Baking powder. This is confusing.
It is, but baking powder makes the pancakes fluffy.
Fluffy? You know, light and soft, like a cloud. I like fluffy pancakes.
Now we need the utensils,
Utensils?
the tools we use for cooking. We need a large bowl, a whisk, and measuring cups.
Okay. Bowl, whisk, and these cups?
Perfect. Now let's follow the recipe. First, combine the dry ingredients.
Combine?
It means to put together or mix.
Got it. Mix them.
Put 1 cup of flour into the bowl.
Okay. 1 cup.
Now 2 tablespoons of sugar.
2 tablespoons? This small one?
No, that's a teaspoon. That's for tea. The bigger one is a tablespoon.
Okay, that makes sense. 2 tablespoons of sugar.
And 1 teaspoon of salt.
1 teaspoon. Okay.
And 2 teaspoons of the baking powder.
2 teaspoons baking powder. Done.
Great. Now whisk them together.
Like this?
A little faster. We want to mix it well.
Okay. Whoa,
It's okay.
there is flour on the counter.
That always happens. We can clean the mess later.
Mess?
Yes, when things are not clean or tidy. Flour makes a big mess.
I am making a mess.
Don't worry, Liam. Now for the wet ingredients. In a separate, smaller bowl,
Why a separate bowl?
It's easier to mix. Trust me.
Okay. Separate bowl.
We need 1 egg. Can you crack the egg?
Crack it?
Yes. Break it open gently on the side of the bowl.
Oh no.
What happened?
I got eggshell in the bowl.
It's okay. It happens. Here, use this spoon. We have to scoop it out.
Scoop?
To lift it out with the spoon, like scooping ice cream.
It's so small. Okay, I think I got it.
Good job. Now, add 1 cup of milk
1 cup of milk.
and 2 tablespoons of melted butter.
Melted butter? How do I do that?
We put the butter in a small dish and use the microwave.
The microwave. Right. For how long?
Just 30 seconds. We want it melted, not burnt.
Burnt?
Cooked too much. Black and tasting bad.
Ah, yes. I know burnt. My toast is always burnt.
Okay. Add the melted butter to the milk and egg and whisk it.
This is much easier than the flour.
Now, the important part. We combine the wet and the dry. Pour the milk mixture into the big bowl of flour
Okay.
and stir it. But do not stir too much.
Stir? Is that different from whisk?
Yes, whisk is fast to add air. Stir is slow just to combine.
Okay. Stirring slowly.
It should look a little lumpy.
Lumpy? You mean not smooth?
Exactly. Small lumps are good for fluffy pancakes.
This recipe is strange. Lumpy is good? Messes are okay?
Welcome to cooking. Now, let's heat up the pan.
Heat up?
Make it hot. Turn on the stove.
Okay.
We need medium heat. Not too high, not too low. Add a little butter to the pan. Let it melt.
It's sizzling.
That means it's ready. Okay, Liam, your turn. Use this ladle, the big spoon, to pour the batter.
Batter?
The pancake mixture, the lumpy stuff.
Okay. Pouring the batter.
Good. Now we wait.
How long? I'm hungry.
We wait until we see bubbles.
Bubbles?
Yes, small holes on the top.
Emma, I see bubbles.
Great. Now, take the spatula.
This flat thing?
Yes. Slide it under the pancake and flip it.
Flip? Okay, here I go. Ow!
Oh dear.
It's black.
Well, that one is burnt.
I failed.
No, you didn't. The first pancake is always a test. The pan was too hot. Let's turn down the heat.
Turn down?
Yes. Make it lower.
Okay.
Let's scrape this one into the bin.
Bin?
The trash can.
Okay. Goodbye, burnt pancake.
Okay. Let's try again. The pan is cooler.
Pouring the batter.
Waiting for bubbles.
I see them.
Okay. Take the spatula, slide it under, and flip.
Emma, look. It's beautiful.
See? It's golden brown.
Golden brown. That is a much better color than burnt.
Much better. Let it cook for 1 more minute.
Okay. It's done.
Put it on the plate.
I made a pancake.
You made a pancake. Let's make the rest of the batter. Wow, Liam, that is a big stack of pancakes.
A stack?
Yes, when you put many things on top of each other.
I like this stack.
So, you survived cooking in the kitchen?
Yes, it was messy, but fun.
What did you learn?
Okay, so I learned a lot of words. First, we get the ingredients like flour and eggs from the pantry and the fridge. We use utensils like a bowl and a whisk. We have to measure. A tablespoon is big, a teaspoon is small.
Very good.
Then we combine the dry food and combine the wet food. I learned how to crack an egg and how to scoop out the shell.
My favorite part.
Then we stir the batter, but it's okay if it's lumpy.
That's the secret.
Then we heat up the pan on the stove. We pour the batter, wait for bubbles, and flip it. And we must be careful not to burn it. We want golden brown.
You learned everything.
And burnt pancakes go in the bin.
Exactly.
Can we eat now? I want to try them.
Yes. Let's eat.
These are good.
Thank you for joining us in the kitchen today.
We will see you in the next video. Bye, everyone.
Bye.